Andre Gray is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker for Championship club Watford. Gray was born in Wolverhampton, West Midlands. He was introduced to football by his grandfather, acting as a mentor and father figure for his younger half-brother Cody. He spoke in May 2015 of having started to grow out of the gang lifestyle around the time of the incident and credited his mother, close friends and Luton Town for turning his life around. In May 2016, Gray entered a relationship with Leilani Pinnock of the pop group Little Mix. On 28 May 2020, Gray proposed to Pinnock on their 4-year anniversary. Gray came to prominence after scoring 57 goals in 111 appearances in a 2-seasons spell with Luton Town. He represented England C at international level. Gray began his career in the academy at hometown club Wolves but was released at age 13. On 9 August 2017, Gray signed for Premier League club Watford on a 5-year contract for an undisclosed club record fee. Gray finished his first season with 5 goals in 33 appearances. Gray made 34 appearances and scored 9 goals in 2018-19. Gray's goal-scoring record for Luton in the final months of the 2011-12 season raised the attention of the England C team, and he was named in the squad for an International Challenge Trophy match against Russia under-23 in June 2012. He came on as a half-time substitute for Stephen Brogan and scored his first international goal with the winner in a 2-1 victory. The win saw England C qualify for the semi-final of the International Challenge Trophy. Gray captained England C in the second half of a 6-1 friendly win over Bermuda on 5 June 2013, scoring the team's 6th goal. Gray played in a friendly versus Jordan under-23 at the King Abdullah Stadium in Amman on 4 March 2014, starting in a 1-0 victory, and was replaced by Dan Fitchett at half-time. Gray's return to the Football League in June 2014 meant that he was no longer eligible for England C. He won 6 caps and scored 2 goals. On 21 August 2015, Gray joined Championship club Burnley on a 3-year contract for an undisclosed fee believed to be a club record £6 million deal. On 29 August 2015, Gray made his Burnley debut in a 2-1 away victory over Bristol City. Gray scored 8 goals in Burnley's remaining matches to help them reach the Championship summit, including one on the final day of the 2015-16 season as Burnley secured the Championship title after a 3-0 away win over Charlton Athletic. During this time, Gray was named Championship Player of the Year and won the Golden Boot Award after finishing as Championship top scorer with 25 goals, including the 2 he scored in his appearances for Brentford. Gray finished the 2016-17 season with 36 appearances and 10 goals, helping Burnley to finish 16th in the Premier League.